sessions that we had on sex education, and that also was very amazing.
So my experience has been that it was not a taboo topic, at least for my conversation with my daughters, but it was not as open as I have it now in my head.
I was the only one who was married and I was 39 at that time. सो मतलब फ्रेश बच्चों के साथ बैठ के, बच्चे ही बोलूँगी मैं उनको, बच्चों के साथ बैठ के ये ट्रेनिंग करना मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट था. शुरू में मुझे टफ लगा था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे मैं इतना इन्गर्स्ड होती गई उनके प्रोग्राम में, क्योंकि मेरा इंटेंशन था मेरी बच्ची के लिए सब टूल्स लेके आना.
I think I'll begin first with by first talking about what we were going through before doing the discussion with our kids, both with Naisha and Jia. I think our doubts, apprehensions ranged around majorly three questions. One was, what do we talk? How do we break the ice? And to what extent do we continue the discussions? What is the logical end?
Hi, this is Namrata Samani. When this topic was first introduced to me in Parvarish, I definitely felt very uncomfortable. I was in a very, very negative zone that, oh my god, it's a taboo. And why sir talking about this? Why are they, इतना उछाल उछाल के क्यों बोल रहे हैं? But then I realized that as we progressed, I realized that because the topic is a taboo and because we do not accept it with open mind, a lot of times we miss out on what is important.
The way I have had conversation with my girls, like who at the point when I had conversation with them, who were at age 11 and 17. So because they were already at the age that one was just about to enter in the puberty and one is like, pretty much on that. So if I have to just, concisely put that conversation together,
because there was a very detailed in-depth in how first of all we started looking at ourselves, that every change that we had during puberty, every change that we had hormonally, and so many things that we were not spoken to us by our parents regarding sex education has so much impacted us, how we think, how we behave, how we have a understanding of sex education.
In the morning, like 8 बजे से हम लोगों के प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होते थे. कभी कभार हम 5 बजे तक प्रोग्राम होते थे, कभी कभार हमारे प्रोग्राम 8 बजे तक रात को भी चलते थे, क्योंकि कभी वर्कशॉप्स होते थे, कभी हमें एनजीओज में जाना पड़ता था, जैसे जमघट एनजीओ हुआ, वहाँ पे जाके हमें नीडी चिल्ड्रन को फन विद स्टडीज़ करवाना था. तो ये सारे प्रोग्राम्स करते करते मेरे टाइम कब चले जाते थे मुझे नहीं पता चलता था.
When we came to know about the session content, it talked about lots of things which we were not sure ki at this point of time whether we should tell them to that much extent. Should we really talk about the act of sex? Are they not so young to right now? Are they really aware of it? But we came to know in the session itself that children these days are so much exposed. They have access to net, and they already might have been knowing a lot of things which may not be complete truth. So it's very important to for the kids to come from their own parents what is the correct information. It is a scientific facts which they need to know.
When I shared with them that, okay, how do different perspectives about sex, knowing about sex are important and on different age brackets, then they were also very open and they were, listening like this, okay, what mama need to share. And we even went through, all those simple things which they have learnt in their school, like good touch, bad touch. And what stood out for me was that good and bad is just a label, but what is safe for you, what feels safe to you, and what is unsafe for you. And unsafe could be a touch, or uncomfortable could be just a stare that somebody is making at you. Really wish I would have told them at the age of 2 or 3 when they just started making social connections for the first time outside of family.
So it's very important that we have an open communication and our child is able to come to us with these different kind of questions on sex education from a very young age, so that when they go ahead also they are able to communicate to us if they want to take some step in those space or that regard or that path. After going through that 2 sessions, that really, and I feel so lucky that that session I could attend even before my son was a year old, because all the tools I have for him at my disposal now, and I feel so empowered that when I have to talk to him, I can so openly talk to him about private parts. He knows his private parts right now at 8-19 months, and I'm really able to have open communication with him. I don't feel restricted, and I feel that this is important, and this is something as a parent I need to share with my kid. I need to empower him to know things that no one can take any kind of advantage of him.
अगर मैं एक प्रोग्राम के बारे में बोलना चाहूँ तो ये ज़रूर बोलूँगी, मेरे लिए जो एकदम आई ओपनिंग वाला जैसा हुआ था वो है सेक्स एजुकेशन। मैंने कभी लाइफ में सेक्स एजुकेशन की ट्रेनिंग मतलब क्लास ली नहीं थी। मतलब स्कूल में जैसे कि होता है कि टीचर्स जो बायोलॉजी का चैप्टर करवाते हैं जिस हिसाब से मतलब पेजेस को पलट के, वैसे ही मेरा भी मतलब एजुकेशन हुआ था। तो सेक्स एजुकेशन मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी। मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहती थी। बच्चों के साथ तो छोड़िए, हम अपने हस्बैंड के साथ भी खुल के इसके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते थे।
And then we also did that seemingly simple but such a profound exercise, that all the places we visit, who you find as a most caring person in whose company you feel safe, and if there is anything that which is making you uncomfortable, can you find that person quickly? Because at that point in time, safety is more important than being courageous. So teaching them about the consequences of being safe first, then taking stand for anything, how important it is. That was also one great learning which my daughters got.
It's eased out a lot of areas for us. For the kids, I don't think it's not an issue as much as it is for us, because we were the ones who were overthinking about a lot of things, and we had created a lot of barriers. But then this session and the way it has been designed, and also the PowerPoint presentations, as well as the session which we had before talking to the kids, that helps in the sense it gives us a framework. It gave us a framework as to how to take our discussions forward, and it also answered our questions as to how do we initiate and till where do we take this discussion to. And so that's why we think it was very helpful for us, this session, and it has cleared up lots of new paths for us as far as Jia and Naisha are concerned.
Yeah, so there is nothing hidden now, so we can talk about a lot of things which earlier one of us, either they or us, would shy away. And so I would like my kids to come to me if they have any such issues or me or him. They should know that we are accessible to them. We can relate, we can hear, and we are there to support them in any situation that can come. So that bond I think has been initiated. I really thank Parvarish for making this whole topic so easy to discuss with them, to give us that push and open up with them on this level. I think like Sushant always say ना, अब कुछ नहीं है जो छुपा रहेगा आपके और उनके बीच.
Everything is on the table.
Everything is on the table. We can discuss anything and everything.
It is very important for a child to also know that this is the space I can speak anything and everything to. When I first introduced this topic to my child, he was, okay, Mom, I did not know this happens, but if it has happened, then who has it happened to and stuff. So I took my own example, a situation I faced, and I told him that I was not comfortable in this situation. And he just told me, Mom, you should have fought him back. I said, that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. I had no one to tell me this, that I should fight him back. And I should be able to speak up, because as our elders, they don't mean harm, but it is just a topic that the world has not touched in a strong manner. I'm helping you, son, and I want you to know that it is okay to speak up. That if ever you face something like this, defend yourself and let me know immediately. I have in fact imparted this to my extended family children as well. They actually have come up with stories telling me, oh yeah, I was so uncomfortable. That guy did look at me in a weird manner.
दे वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट इट, वो बात करना चाहते हैं इसके बारे में, उन्हें खुल के बताने का मन करता है इसके बारे में, क्योंकि वो इस मैटर को किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर पाते थे, तो मेरे साथ शेयर करने लगे। तो इसका जो रिजल्ट है, आज भी मैं बोलूँगी कि मेरे बच्चे मेरे साथ इस बारे में खुल के बात कर सकते हैं। तो इसका सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट ये हुआ है कि उनके साथ जो बॉन्डिंग है मेरा और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता गया। प्लस कोई अगर उनको सेक्सुअल एब्यूज भी कर रहा है तो मुझे वो लोग आके बता पाते हैं, उन लोगों को कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होती है।
So, just one word, or not one word, couple of words. Just do it. Don't think too much about it. The more you think, the tougher it seems. But it's not. Trust me, it's not.
And
We did it.
children handle it very sensibly.
Hmm.
That's what we noticed.
So, best of luck.
And also being a parent coach now, I have conducted already 2 workshops on sex education, and I feel so empowered to actually share this knowledge with parents, because I mean, there are so many people in the world out there who do not know, and especially in India, the amount of cases that have been rising of child sexual abuse is at such a great increase. So I think every parent out there should take the responsibility of teaching their child and giving their child sex education, and not leave it to schools out there to give this knowledge, because we as parents have the greatest influence on our kids, and we have the most amazing relationship with our kids.